Using the CIBC mobile banking app provides convenient access to your accounts and a range of banking features from your smartphone or tablet. Here's how to use the CIBC mobile app. Download and install. Download the CIBC mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your device. Log in. Open the app and log in using your CIBC online banking username and password. If you haven't registered for online banking, you can do so directly through the app. View account balances. Once logged in, you will see an overview of your accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. Tap on any account to view more details. Transfer funds. Easily transfer money between your accounts to other CIBC accounts or to external accounts. Select the transfers option and follow the prompts to initiate a transfer. Pay bills. Set up and pay bills directly from the app. Choose the pay bills option, add your payees, and schedule payments. Deposit checks. Use the app's mobile deposit feature to deposit checks by taking photos of them with your device's camera. Manage cards. View your credit card transactions, make payments, and manage card settings such as alerts and travel notifications. Contact customer service. Access customer service options for assistance with your accounts, transactions, or app-related inquiries.